My dear students of class 11 and 12, how are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are well. I am also well. This is MD Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today, I would like to discuss about the creative question of your higher mathematics from chapter 5. I mean permutation and combination. Dear student, I hope you have completed the all lecture of exercise 5a and 5b. So this lecture is easy for you. Today I will discuss about the creative question of this chapter, and this is first lecture. We will take another lecture of this chapter. Okay, now we can start our today's lecture. Dear students, our today's creative question: for a one-day match, New Zealand cricket team consists of 7 batsmen, 6 bowler and 2 wicket keeper. And this is question stem. And if NP3 is equal to 2 into NC4, then find the value of N. This first question is knowledge based question, not related to our given information. Okay, so for solution of first question A, given NP3 is equal to 2 into NC4. Here this is 3 and NP3 for technique is we have to write product of 3 numbers, because this is 3 and n into n minus 1 and n minus 2 and 2 into, for the combination here this is 4. So we have to write the product of 4 numbers, which is n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3. For the combination, the denominator will be factorial 4. Okay, so dividing both sides by n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n into n minus 1, n minus 2, then here 1 is equal to factorial 4 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 2 into n minus 3. So this is 2 and 1 is equal to n minus 3, and the multiplication of this is equal to 12. Now cross multiplication, by the cross multiplication we can write n minus 3 is equal to 12. So n is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Therefore n is equal to 15. This is our answer. Okay. Okay, my dear student, our question number B. In how many ways a team consisting of 11 players may be formed so as to include 5 bowlers, at least 1 wicket keeper? Here the condition is the team consists of 5 bowlers and at least 1 wicket keeper. This is the condition to form a team. Okay, so here total numbers of bowlers is 6, total numbers of wicket keepers 2 and batsmen 7. And how many ways we can choose? First one, bowler, always 5 bowlers will be included. Okay, so taking 5 bowlers from 6 bowlers and at least 1 wicket keeper. Here total wicket keeper is 2. At least 1 wicket keeper mean at least 1 wicket keeper. That means that minimum 1 and more. 1 and more, at least 1 wicket keeper, it means 1 and more. So first minimum we can take at least one. So one and more. So at first we can take one. Then total player 5 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper is 6. We need total player will be 11. So another 5 player need, which will be taken from batsmen. 7 batsmen is equal to, from the 7 batsmen, then we have to take 5 batsmen, because total number will be 11. 5 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, and the combination of this case is equal to total bowler 6, we have to take 5, so is equal to, combination is equal to 6c 5 into taking, we have to take 5 bowlers from 6 and 1 wicket keeper from 2 to c1 into 7 batsmen, we have to take 5 batsmen, 7c5, this is equal to 252, the calculation of this. Okay, and another way, because we have 2 wicket keepers, we can take another option, the at least 1 wicket keeper. So the minimum is 1 and we can take 2 wicket keepers. If we can take 2 wicket keepers, then we need the bowler always 5 condition, that which is given in your question, bowler always 5 bowlers. So total player bowler with bowler and wicket keeper is equal to 7. So need another 4 player, which these 4 player must be taken from 7 batsmen, then total number will be 11. Now the combination of this case is equal to here 5 bowlers from 6 bowler is equal to 6c5 into 2 wicket keeper taking from 2 and 7 batsmen, we have to take 4 batsmen, which is 7c4. Okay, this is equal to 210, and this is last option, because wicket keeper, total wicket keeper is 2, so at least 1 means 1 and 2, so another no option for this question. Okay, so total team we can create is equal to, total team combination is equal to addition 252 and 210 is equal to 462. This is our total team combination if we can include 5 bowlers and at least 1 wicket keeper from 7 batsmen, 6 bowler and 2 wicket keeper. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, dear student, our question number C. Find the number of arrangements that can be made of the letters of the word New Zealand so that the vowels may not in consecutive position in any of them. My dear student, this question, this language is similar to vowels not occur together. That means vowel not in consecutive position, and also it means that vowels not occur together. Okay, so here what is New Zealand? Total letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total letters is 10. Where same kind letters is 2A and 2E and 2N. So total number of arrangement here, dear student, total letters is 10, and where same kind 2A, 2E and 2N. Okay, so number of arrangement will be factorial 10 divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because 2A, 2E and 2N. So according to our permutation rules, the arrangement will be 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Okay. Now answer of this is equal to 4, 5, 3, 6, 0. Okay. The calculation of this is equal to this. Okay. Now this is the total arrangement of New Zealand. Now here separate the all vowels and consonant. Here from the New Zealand, total number of vowels 2E and 2A, and other are consonant. So consider, now we want to find out the arrangement where the vowels occur together. So here the all vowels consider as a letter. So this vowel consider as a letter. So 1 letter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here if consider the all vowels as a letter, then number of arrangement here total letters is 7 and 2 are N. So number of arrangement will be factorial 7 divided by factorial 2. This is equal to 2520. This answer is equal to 2520. Okay. Now number of arrangement that vowels, number of arrangement amongst vowel. Okay, here total number of vowels is equal to 4. So arrangement amongst vowels is equal to factorial 4 divided by factorial 2, and factorial 2 is equal to 6. So arrangement amongst vowels is equal to total vowels is equal to 4 and 2E and 2A. So arrangement is equal to factorial 4 divided by factorial 2, and factorial 2 is equal to 6. Now number of arrangement that vowels will remain in consecutive position, that means vowels occur together, then multiplication of this number and this is equal to vowels occur together. Okay, is equal to 2520 into 6 is equal to multiplication of this 15120. Okay, now number of arrangement that vowels will not remain in consecutive position is equal to total number of arrangement of New Zealand and total number of arrangement where vowels in consecutive position, then difference between them will be vowels will not remain in consecutive position is equal to this, and this is our answer of question number C. Okay. Okay, my dear student, this is our today's class.